Mavaka Guy.
Okay, we're back on the Mavaka Guy channel here, and I still have my news reporter Angelo. He's on the scene now in Romania, where a big-time explosion happened. I'm going to let Angelo explain exactly what happened, as he is there on the scene, as always, fresh off what happened there. Angelo, please let us know if everything's okay, what the status is, what's going on.
Okay, so hi, Mavaka Guy. I was in the Netherlands, okay, in Amsterdam. Okay, I was visiting, I was on vacation, so when I heard the explosion, the news about the explosion of the gas station in Romania, I took a helicopter. I'm in a helicopter now, okay, over the scene, okay, over the site. I am not allowed to go close to the scene, okay, on ground, alright? So I'm gonna tell you exactly what I know, okay? So one person died and 57 were injured after two explosions at a liquefied petroleum gas station in Romania, town of Crevedia, okay, which is the capital, Bucharest, little town, okay, which happened yesterday. After the first explosion, the fire spread to two fuel tanks and a nearby house. Leading authorities to evacuate everyone with a radius of 700 meters, while traffic on the main road nearby was blocked, according to the government's emergency response unit. The second explosion occurred at the LPG station yesterday evening actually, injuring 26 firefighters. Deputy Interior Minister Raed Arafat, who is in charge of the emergency response unit, told us reporters. The fire was contained by Sunday morning, okay, which was today, and the Prosecutor General has taken over the investigation. Most of the injured people, okay, were people that worked for, firefighters, okay? 8 people were intubated after suffering severe burns, the government has said, okay? We think 4 of the patients were more than certainly have been transferred tonight, okay, to hospitals in Italy and in Belgium, okay? So Prime Minister Marcel Giolotto told reporters, us, at an emergency meeting with the state agency involved in handling the crisis. Arafat said that the gas station did not have authorization to operate. Okay? So I don't know what happened exactly. LPG is widely used in Eastern Europe as fuel that is significantly cheaper than gasoline or diesel. So apparently, I think this gas station was operating illegally, and of course it went on fire. The two big explosion. Okay. So are you there?
Yeah. So where are you now?
I'm in a helicopter because when I heard the news, I was in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam. So I quickly got in a helicopter, and when I arrived there, I was unable to land the helicopter to close to the scene, close. So I'm still in a helicopter, and I am in Crevedia, okay, it's called. It's a little small town near Bucharest, okay, and oh man, it's really really bad because it's really like you're saying, there was this gas station was working open illegally. The people lost their lives, and there's a lot of injuries too.
Did you actually see it?
Oh, of course. I mean, I'm not right above it. I mean, I could see. I see there. It's. I'm doing an aerial view of the site of the explosion. Okay. I'm snapping some photos. Okay, I could see that. Wow, this is really like it's really interesting. Like it's a little small town, like about 6,000 people. Okay, and it's really bad. I mean, like I said, they also closed the main road, nearby because it's impossible for people to go right through there.
Okay, well,
And,
stay safe
looking
for
at-
now, and we'll show some videos that you took there as well.
Oh yes, of course.
And,
I've got pictures, I've got videos that I can show, and
Yeah, I'll post them on the video here as well.
It is Monday. It's Monday morning here now in Bucharest. Okay, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay, night time. People are actually sleeping, but I'm still in a helicopter, and I'm looking at some people that have burned.
Severe burns.
They got burned, that burn. I mean, people who were on the floor. I mean, they were not even close by. I mean, they were like far, but when that explosion happened, it really covered a lot of, people that were some of them, very about,
Okay, got it.
about a kilometer or 2 kilometers far away, I could see that, there was people on the floor, and there were actually firefighters that were burned,
All right, well, as usual, stay safe there.
First, second degree burn, third degree burn,
All right,
Yeah.
well, I'm sure you're off to another city soon to cover some more, so we'll keep in touch, but just stay safe.
Yes, of course. Thank you, Kaka, and I'll let you know more, okay? So